Hello and welcome to foodedmonton.com. Anyhow, today what I would like to do is I'd like to share a really good deal with you for a breakfast deal in Edmonton. So let's take a look at two different places and we'll see what they have to offer and what the price is. So the first place that we're going to go to is A&W. So let's just have a look here. So for the classic bacon and egg, you're going to get 2 eggs, 3 slices of bacon. You're going to get some toast. Now, you will not get any coffee and you will not get any hash brown for a total price of $8.39. If you want the coffee or the hash brown, that's going to be an extra charge. Okay, so just remember that price, $8.39 for this classic bacon and egg breakfast. So now let's take a look at another place here that I've gone to. Now just remember, A&W does make a very good breakfast. I've had it many times and I've enjoyed it. So anyhow, let's go over to Pure Casino. This is at the Yellowhead, and they offer a breakfast here with 2 eggs any style. Okay, you can have bacon, ham, or sausage. You get toast and you get coffee. So the difference with this breakfast, okay, and the A&W breakfast is you get a coffee and you get hash brown, okay? And the price is only $6.49 versus $8.39 for A&W. Now, the thing I wanted to mention too with this other breakfast special at Pure Casino Retro Cafe is you get all the coffee that you can drink because they bring you a thermos full of coffee. Now, when you go to A&W, you get your 1 cup of coffee. That's it. If you want another cup of coffee, it's going to cost you extra. So you be the judge. You know what the deal is here. I've just explained it to you. Here's another image. You can see that's what you get here at A&W. $8.39. Coffee's extra. No hash brown, that's extra. Okay, refills for coffee are extra. Okay, now remember, when you go over to the Pure Casino, okay, you're gonna get a really good breakfast with all the extras. Okay, for only $6.49. So anyways, this is brought to you by foodedmonton.com. Take care, and we'll talk to you again sometime. Please make sure you bookmark foodedmonton.com. Come on back, I'll share more deals with you. Bye for now.